So I'm going to give you a quick DIY body work tip today, and I'm actually sharing from my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It, and it is a DIY self-massage, acupressure, reflexology, and Wealth-flex-ology journal recorder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to demonstrate for you on my foot and on my right foot, and this is with acupressure, and this is the liver 3. So right in this valley right here, and you just press in and just work it just for a few seconds, and you can work it up to really 2 minutes. Now I would do it on both feet, but like I said, I'm just demonstrating this for you right now. So I'm working this area, liver 3, and it's stimulating the liver functionality. And this is very important, as we know what the liver provides, for our body. And so you just want to work that area. And also I'm just going to do just a little bit of reflexology, just show you where the adrenal glands are. It's in the kidney area. So you see right here. So it's right up under the ball of your foot. So you just work this area. You don't have to spend too much time on it. Just want to give you just a little example of how you can work that area. All right. And so that kind of covers a little bit of the massage technique as well. So I want to bring you over to the publication, and we're actually going to go in the section, the journal section, where it's about the power of my touch, and it's all about exploring, experience, and enhance. This is the journal section. So today, if we were recording this and you were doing what I did, you say, I touch myself by doing. So what did we do today? So for me, if I was going to record in here, it'd be that I did liver 3 and worked on that for about a minute or so, maybe a little over, and then record how I feel or how I felt. And so I can already feel the stimulation, and it felt great while I was doing it. I didn't have any tender spots, so that was a good thing. And then my results or benefits were. And so at this moment, as I mentioned, I could feel the regulation. So I feel more energy in my body, and as a result of this. And also I did some previous DIY reflexology work on myself, so I know that contributed. So I would be recording that, as well. And then there's the section for me to just share more notes, anything else that I, want to jot down. So that's what I would be doing, and that's something I would encourage you to do. If you could just take time out to do at least maybe 2 to 5 minutes of DIY body work on yourself, it would be so beneficial, whether you do it daily or whether you do it just a few times a week. Just get present with yourself to discover what's most in alignment, for you. But what I showed you today is certainly something that every other day you could just spend just a little bit of time of doing that, on those 2 areas. So I hope that this was helpful, and certainly you can pick up I Touch Myself and I Like It, secure copy on Amazon.